Vocabulary words for kids: family, school, clothes, kitchen, toys, food, nature, vehicle, bathroom. Family: father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, brother, sister. School: pencil, pen, eraser, chalkboard, bag, books. Clothes: pants, scraf, socks, t-shirt, frock, skirt. Kitchen: glass, fork, plate, spoon, cup. Toys: doll, balloons, toy train, ball, rattle. Food: ice cream, doughnut, pie, chocolate, cookies, sandwich. Nature: sun, moon, tree, flower, cloud, rain. Vehicle: bus, car, airplane, bicycle, train, motorbike. Bathroom: toothbrush and toothpaste, soap, towel, comb, bucket, bathtub.